Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn what is Console.table method and why can we use it in our code, so keep watching the video till the end. Let's get started. We will create some variables with the name A, B, C, D, and E, so let's start writing. Let B is equal to 12.8. Let C is equal to JavaScript. Let D is equal to false. Let E is equal to null. Now, instead of cluttering our code with multiple console.log statements, we can use Console.table method to display data in a clear and organized table format. Now let's run the program and see the result. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this explanation of Console.table method helpful and learned how to use it to make debugging and data visualization easier. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly coding tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.